what here in this paper we have done, right? You can go to the paper. In this paper, what we have done is we have proposed one optimization algorithm, which is influencer buddy optimization. So the basic idea is that most of the optimization algorithm that works, they are on the basis of who is the best performing candidate in the group. Based on that, they were always finding the best solution, or they were updating the solution. In this case, we have given a name, influencer buddy optimization, which is somehow relevant with the classroom pedagogy. You see, in a student, if I in a class with a student and grade, if there are 10% of the student are the topper student, it's other students who are there, like the 90% of the student, they try to get in contact with the remaining 10% who are the top 10%, right? Why? Because they know that they are the best student. If I somehow stay along with them, maybe my grade will be enhancing, or maybe I will also understand how to learn and all. So I'm calling that those 10% are the influencer, the other, they are the one who are trying to become a buddy with those. It's not that always one first ranker who is going to influence the others. There are a few group of the students, right? So I'm calling them as an influencer. So based on that concept, we have created this optimization algorithm, which is influencer buddy optimization algorithm. Right? So in this paper, I have used the diagram, you might see, remember, these are the diagrams for the recurrent neural network, as well as I have used the neural network. So I've used both ANN as well as this RNN, and I have combined with the optimization algorithm, which I just said, that is IBO, influencer buddy optimization. I have combined with them too, and later on, after combining, I have implemented on the application, that is electricity load and price forecasting. Right? But before, in the case of this optimization, when we work, we cannot just directly propose it and we can start with the application. We need to showcase on the test bed. Right? So there are some test benchmark functions.
Show that equation, update equation, IBO.
IBO. This is the updated value is equal to x alpha into r into influencer minus.
Part of PSO part, one part of PSO.
No, the PSO is having the P list and the G list.
So there's one part is.
No, so where is the personal list? There is nothing as a personal list here. There is no P list, there is no G list. Influencer is a group.
Proposed.
So this is the one which we have proposed, me and my family have proposed. So this is a group. In the PSO we have personal best and group best, right?
It is similar to that.
If you see, every algorithm will somehow look similar. If you see, because there is always a change of a small, right? A very small change. So based on this, there are 24 benchmark functions, 21 benchmark function on which we have first executed our optimization algorithm. I think there are very close to jobs. For the 21 of them, we have generated the mean and the standard deviation. And what is the best fitness value is also there. Like what should be the fitness value? A solution should be there, and what we have generated from all of them. Right? Later on, we have also tested in all the other benchmarks. These are the diagrams to show that whatever it is we are getting. Then how the convergence is happening for all the functions. Then there is implementation of those algorithms, that IBO with the ANN, along with the other algorithms like COA. These are all optimization algorithms. Like CUK search optimization algorithm, fruit fly optimization, genetic algorithm, Grey Wolf, Harris-Fox, J algorithm, Wolfram optimization, BSO, SARSOC, and simple transformation too. So whatever the optimization algorithm I have implemented for the ANN, the same I have applied for the RNN also. Like I have combined optimization with the ANN and optimization with the RNN. Then I have applied, then we have gone the application, which is electricity load and price forecasting. There is another thing also, we have tested on the two benchmark function, two benchmark data. One was on 21 data set, there is another benchmark function, which is defined as a BPOP, that is black box optimization benchmark functions, where we have the noiseless and noisy data. They are just a function. But when we are proposing something, it has to be tested on a very good benchmark function, you can say equations, right? So the first I tested on the 21, then I tested on the 24 data set, 24 benchmark function others. When we found that yes, the IBO is working well, then we have implemented this on the electricity load and price forecasting. Right? So these are just the results that we have got from, this is for the load forecasting using ANN with all the optimization, ANN with all the, RNN with all the optimization forecast. Similarly, we have some results for price forecasting too. In both the cases, we have used the data set from the ISO implant data set, which I had for 7 years of the data. So 2004 to 2007 is for the training of the data, and the last 1 year is for the testing of the data for the price. In the case of the load data, we have used 2-year data, last 2 years, 2007 to 2008 for the testing purpose. So these are the results that we have got. Since mine is a prediction, right? So you see we have used mean absolute error, mean absolute percentage error, daily mean absolute percentage error, normalized mean squared error, root mean squared error, R is P as a coefficient, DC is directional change, IA is index of deviation. So we can get into the detail of the whole paper. So along with that, there is another also data set which we have used. One data set I said, ISO implant data set, another is the New South Wales data set, which is for electricity and the price board. This NSW data set is freely available on the website. You can go and verify it out. So this is all. This paper is not. So
It is holding in hand.
no, this is in fine. So I think this paper will be provided to you, then you can go to it. If you have any question, then you can send me a mail also. I will take some. You can write my mail ID if you want. You can write Priyanka at priyanka@IITR.ac.in. If you are interested, then definitely we can work it out together. If there are any more queries, I can sort it out. So thank you all. So thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. I will request Professor Pandya to endorse the movement to madam as a token of one affection from our institute. Please, madam.
I thank all the participants and faculty members and sir for calling me here on very short notice. I'm happy that I got the opportunity to be here. And in the future also I look forward maybe you will call me once again because it's very close, maybe. And yeah, I'm happy to be here.
All the participants are.
And I'm very sorry that I speak very fast. Like I tried my best to speak up with a lower pace, but this is how I speak. So I'm very sorry if you were not able to cope up with my pace.
No, madam, in that way, most of your journals are modern. So you are maintaining the energy level. That's what our feedback is. You are maintaining the same standard energy level.
It's your word, no, so for that purpose you are expert in that, you are talking.
Maybe, but this is how I speak comes to the life.
If it is our own work, ability automatically.
This is my normal way of saying it. But I speak like this only. But when I complete my every session, then I think, oh, I should have told him from the start.
Presentation means speaking.
When she is from AAA to Raichur, so most of you are around this. So she is ready to help. If you want to get some algorithm, because we have corrected new data.
Yeah, I'm happy to work with the like interdisciplinary.
Or you can send your students also there. They can work.
Definitely. Just write me the mail and we work. If anybody is interested, genuinely, I'm ready. But genuinely. This is the word which I always say to students. If you are genuine and you want to work, then I'm ready to work. If not, then it's
It was connected to agriculture.
Yeah, I'm looking for
And
the
my sister is administrative officer and registered in Raichur.
oh, she's there in the agriculture university.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody came for the MOU's signing, and maybe somebody came from the agriculture university for the discussion with the department.
So I will inform her.
Definitely. If I can get the data.